in the process of clearing a spot out in the living room while I was looking for something to help me build a table, I found a whole other train set. It's the one that my grandfather had sent to come down here. He wanted to make sure I got. This one was in a box. It said Mark. That's my name, Mark. It had Mark on the box and train set. So I thought that was it. But it turns out this was my train set from the mid 70s that used to run around the Christmas tree. And I burned it up many a times, many a Transformers. I burned up because I would take little Hot Wheel cars and drive them over the tracks. But sometimes they had to drive over regular tracks and they'd stop. Of course, so the train could hit them. I didn't know the bottom of Hot Wheel cars being metal conducted these two rails together, so it would short out until it burned up the transformer. But since I didn't know, I was really young. So I burned up a bunch of them. And I'm really surprised the train exists, because I know that made my father so mad he had to just keep replacing them. It also can burn up the engine if the engine happens to be on the track when you short it. The power running to it, it shorts it out, and whatever engine was on the track, it just winds up dead. So I killed a bunch of engines too. Locomotives. But we'll get on with this. And see what we can do. We can turn on some more lights so that we can actually see in here. And let me see if I can get you set up. You can see, I would switch to the other camera, but I'm not sure how to get to it right now. It sees this camera. My computer sees this camera. It uses this camera. This is the one it uses most of the time. So, that being said, it prefers, anytime I set up, it prefers to be this camera. Right. Can't zoom in either. Look, I don't have the software for these kind of things yet. Let's move these off to the side. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. There we go. Okie dokie. So what we got today, I guess, is look at a few more things that I've got. I'll start clearing this off. I've got some repairs I need to do that are bigger than my desktop, so I'm going to try to do them over here since I'm going to be moving it. Dead train. We got little box cars. I bought these from a guy that picked them up in an estate sale. So they don't have their bottoms. Just sales except for this one. I just gotta get wheels for this one. And surprisingly, it actually has its brake wheel, but it's missing a door. So, but I bought it because of what it was, the Western Maryland one. Well, I want to run the Western Maryland ones with the chassis cars whenever around. That's my chassis motor that actually, engine that actually works. It's 4167. This one, this is like a chassis car that I bought some time. I don't know when. I bought them that was light new, but not new. I don't do that. Push that one out open. Chassis. With those wheels. I have a habit of putting things back because if I ever decide to put that away for a little bit, I can put it in here. Or if I'm going to meet up with one of y'all and you need something sent to you, that box. Piece of paper. And then I got this tray. Here's another chassis system engine, but I'm gonna need help from you guys when I do these. I don't know engine types yet. You know, my only experience with this stuff was really being on the yard, working with my grandfather, and they all look like this. To me, I was, there again, I was little again, but I don't know, 11, 12, 13 years old, somewhere in there. But I didn't know for sure what each one of them are. I believe, I don't know. Not sure which one that is. The original ones I know of the GP40s, GP40-2. Don't know these at all, and this particular one hasn't even been tested. So, yes, if we're sitting here, might as well test it too, huh? On my really broken track. Probably. I really think my track messed up. My little transformer control box made me messed up. But you see my track right now, it's kind of wavy, it goes up and down. So, my biggest problem right now is because it's wavy, it just keeps going off track. Okay, well that's where my track dies. That's the main reason I wanted to get it moved. Seems to be that this one's going to work good too. So I'll set him out in the middle with the other motor engine. Alright. Okay, so I think I mentioned one time before I have bad migraines, so I'm going to cut it off. It's, I don't know, we got 10 minutes or 12 something. I don't know what we got in. And I'll get up and get started and go ahead and go through all of the train stuff that I have, including the old set that I found. And then after that, I just got to tear the whole layout down and get ready to move it. See ya.